we're going to discuss about the principal solution and general solution of trigonometric equation. If we see the above example, that is sine theta is equal to root 3 by 2, we have derived a solution for theta, right? That is m pi plus minus 1 whole power m into pi by 3, where m belongs to all the integers. So this is called as the general solution of this equation. This kind of expressions will be the general solutions for the particular equation. Now, what is meant by the principal solution? Principal solutions, principal solution is the solution which lies in the range 0 to 2 pi. For example, in the same example, sine theta equal to root 3 by 2, what will be the solutions? What will be the values of theta which lies in the 0, 2 pi range? So for that, the principal solution of theta will be pi by 3 and 2 pi by 3. So these are the two values which lies in the range 0, 2 pi. So in this question, there are only two values which lies in the range. But in few questions, it might be a one solution. It might be a 10 solutions. So the number of solutions is not the point over here, but the range is important. In the upcoming videos, we're going to discuss how to derive this general solutions for the different kind of trigonometric equations.